Hey everyone, my name's Tony, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a zone on your video wall. Video wall zones will allow you to have multiple types of sources playing across different screens on your video wall. These different screens can be grouped together or separated individually. If you've not already done so, I suggest watching one of our previous videos, Intro to Userful Control Center. You can then come back to this video and it'll make a lot more sense. Let's start by stopping any videos playing on your video wall. Next, we're going to double click on the video wall, and this will bring up the video wall zone settings menu. If you look in the top left, you'll see a plus button. Click it. This will create a new zone for you. As you can see, this zone will be called Zone 1 by default. The first thing you can do is change the zone name. This will help you stay organized in the future if you have multiple zones running. I'm going to leave mine as Zone 1 for now. To start customizing your zone, you'll want to turn on or off the displays you want to use in that zone. In my case, I'm going to turn off the outer two columns. As you can see, the outer two columns are now grayed out. This tells me that those displays are not part of this zone. The next option in this menu is the control display, which is currently set to 11. Control displays are displays that are designated for such things as audio, mouse, and keyboard. Any action that you take on a control display can affect the entire zone or video wall. For example, resetting this display will reset the entire video wall, so keep that in mind. The next item in the menu is the sound output. This is disabled by default. In this drop-down, there's two options: control display and server sound card. Control display will push the audio out of the control display. Server sound card, on the other hand, will push the audio out of the userful host. This is really nice when you're using additional audio devices such as splitters and audio capture controllers. The next item in the menu is Optimize For. Here there are only two options: video and text. Make sure you click the one that's relevant to the content you're playing on your video wall. This will help the software optimize for better playback. Under the Advanced tab, there's two different options: Max Canvas Size and Session GPU Acceleration. Max Canvas Size will help you balance resolution and the performance of your video wall. Session GPU Acceleration will help you get extra performance on a particular zone. One thing to keep in mind here is that you can only use this on one zone at a time. Another thing to note is that this is particularly useful if you have demanding content playing on one of your zones. Now that I've shown you all the settings, I'm going to go ahead and create another zone. In this case, I'm going to enable the outer two columns and disable the middle column. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now you can see I have three zones. The first is the default video wall that you initially set up. The second and third are the two new zones we just created. To get them playing, simply click and drag and drop them into the sources you want. Click Apply once you're ready. The last step is simply clicking Play on your video wall. There you have it. You now have one video wall playing two sets of sources. In the first one, it's the logo playlist, and the second one, it's the Moraine Lake playlist. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding the video, please feel free to reach out to us at support@userful.com. Thank you, and have a great day.